Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Among the most favorite memories of my childhood involve around food when my mother used to cook delicious seafood dishes cooked in the Malwani style and serve me. And every time she cooked prawn pulao, I could not resist until that hot plate came in front of me, and it was served with some onion salad, and that's it. That's about it. You don't need anything else with it. So prawn comes with a treasure of omega-3 fatty acids, and it has huge amounts of a complete protein which involves all 9 amino acids. Also a good source of selenium, magnesium, potassium and iron. So it's not just about the taste but also the nourishment that it has to offer. I'm also going to pair this with some exotic Indian salad today, and this salad, just by looking at the color, you will know that it has all the nutrition. So without wasting any time, let's get cooking. In a bowl, mix all the chopped vegetables, that is onions, tomatoes, capsicum, beetroot. Now add cilantro. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Add both black and white salt. And some crushed black peppercorns. Ready the tempering. Heat oil in a tempering pan. Once oil is heated, add mustard seeds, let them crackle. Once they crackle, add in the chopped coriander leaves and chopped curry leaves. Mix well. Turn off the flame. Add this tempering to your salad. Mix it well. Top it with sesame seeds and serve it chilled. For prawn pulao, you need half a bunch of cilantro, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 1.5 inches of ginger sliced, 6 to 7 garlic pods and 3 medium tomatoes sliced. 1 large bowl or 250 grams of kolam rice. Half teaspoon turmeric, 3 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 2.5 teaspoon Malwani masala or 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. In a chutney jar, grind together sliced ginger, garlic and green chilies to a fine paste. Add oil to a heated kadai. Add some bay leaves and cinnamon. Saute this. Add sliced onions. Some white salt, some black salt, haldi powder, red chili powder. Saute these masalas. Now add the ground paste and saute. If needed, add some water. Now add freshly chopped cilantro. Add the Malwani masala, coriander powder. Add little bit of liquid if needed. Now boil some water for cooking the rice. Saute this mixture and let the tomatoes soften by covering it. Now add the prawns marinated with some turmeric. Saute this. Now add the soaked kolam rice. Mix this well. Add the boiling water. Mix this well. Do a salt taste. Add it if it's needed. Cover and cook this on a medium flame for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, mix it again gently and garnish this with cilantro.